Okay, so today in this video, I'm gonna be showing off this Toro zero turn time cutter Z5030 V-twin off, and I essentially got it for free off of somebody that I know. It was sitting outside because the deck is broken, and they were gonna just pretty much toss it. It's an 08 or 09 model. I haven't done much research onto it yet, but I actually remember using this thing 6-7 years ago, and it's still kicking it. So it's about 12 years old. It's still kicking it. I don't think it has an hour meter, but if I had to guess, I'd say at least it has at least 500 hours on it, because the yards that this person had and has had the past 12 years are very, very large. Something like this. So it's got a lot of use on this thing. But it has a Kohler Courage 23 twin cylinder. It's a 525cc engine. It's gonna need some TLC. We had to spray some starter fluid into the air filter to get it started. The battery is also weak. I don't know if it's savable. I'll have to charge it and see. He said this arm right here kind of has trouble sometimes. I don't know much about zero turns, so I'm not gonna act like I do. But if I can find a deck for it cheap enough, I might fix it. And it would be nice to have it out here on my property, because I have a lot of land, so that'd be really nice. But if not, I can take the deck off and sell it as is. I will definitely clean it up and do a tune-up, make sure everything's good to go on it, so someone can put a deck on it and it'll be a good mower again. I'll clean it up first and then decide what I'm gonna do with it. If it runs good and stuff, I'd be convinced to keep it, but I know how much use is on this engine, and I'd rather just keep my Cub Cadet because it's pretty new. But I'm gonna definitely pressure wash everything. I'll probably touch up some paint. This seat is actually in pretty good condition with one little hole right here, which I'll probably patch up. But anyway, I will probably put a carb on it because it doesn't run the best. Probably need to go ahead and put a new fuel pump on it, fuel lines, fuel filter, flush out the gas, try to get all this paint off. I gotta try to see if this tire, it's a tubeless tire, I'll try to pump that up, make sure all the tires are good, go through the wiring. I can already tell there's some freaking jank stuff going on here, so I'll fix all that. Maybe a new starter solenoid, definitely an oil change, oil filter, spark plugs, maybe wires. We're gonna see what the condition of everything is and go off of that. But this is just the first video of me introducing it. The first thing I will do when I do start working on it is pressure wash it to get all the dirt and all this critter stuff down here, clean it out. So I'm definitely excited for this thing because it was free. You know, I love to bring stuff back to life, so I'd love to do this with this thing. Whether I keep it or not, I don't know. It's gonna be fun to work on regardless. I do have the plastic that goes here for it, and I have a wheel for the deck, and there was one more thing, but I don't remember what that goes to. So that's pretty much gonna be the video. I just wanted to show it off. The next video I'll make on this is probably gonna be me cleaning it and starting to work on it and diagnosing things. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I make all kinds of videos. I work on all kinds of stuff. And turn on post notifications so you get a notification every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.